This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start with power and pairing. Make sure the T300 and phone are charged and Bluetooth is on. Open the Realme Link app and confirm the earbuds appear in the device list. Tap the T300 entry to connect. This initial connection lets the app send settings to the earbuds. Once paired, grant any requested permissions so noise cancellation controls show. Don't skip the app update. Newer firmware often fixes ANC stability, so update if prompted before you proceed. Once connected, go to the T300 page in Realme Link and locate the noise cancellation section. Tap ANC or noise cancellation to turn it on. Choose a mode such as max, balanced, or light depending on how much ambient sound you need blocked. Make fine adjustments with any transparency or wind filters. These change how much outside sound you still hear. You should hear a subtle change immediately. If not, toggle ANC off and on to force the earbuds to reappear. After enabling ANC, test with music and then pause to hear the ambient reduction. Move your head to confirm consistent ceiling and effect. If ANC does not engage, make sure the earbuds fit properly. Ear tips and seal matter more than you think. If problems persist, unpair and repair the T300, then restart the phone. This clears Bluetooth conflicts. As a final step, update firmware or perform a factory reset in the app. But note that reset will erase custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.